So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install and watch Disney Plus on FireStick. So guys, as we know that the Disney Plus has now become the Hotstar. So guys, they both are combined. So guys, here we see how we can install. So guys, first of all you can go to the say app library. Here you can find your app store. In the app store you can go to the lab library, and guys you can check you have the good internet connection. Then go to the search icon. In the search icon you just simply search the Disney Hotstar. So guys, here you can see this is the official page of the Disney Hotstar and official application. Okay, so you just click here and your downloading is now installed, and you can wait for the few seconds. It will be download within the minute. Okay, and guys, as we know that this is one of the biggest platform and very proud to the world best stories from the best storyteller at Disney, Marvels, Pixel, Star Wars and Nat Geo. So these are the such type of big movies, shows and sci-fi movies are created by the Disney's. Okay, so guys, now you can wait, it is installing. Then we see. Now guys, our application is now installed, so you just click here open, and it is in the opening phase, and you can watch and enjoy your Disney Hotstar. Okay, here you can enter, click OK and enter your mobile number. If you have the subscription, so you just enter your mobile number and you can get the OTP and just enjoy your shows. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.